What is up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to go from $0 to $100 per day with CLICKBANk. And even if you have zero money to start, still you can start going from $0 to $100 per day with CLICKBANk. And also I will be sharing with you how you can really make money with CLICKBANk on autopilot. You do not have to just sit on the whole day in front of your computer in order to make money. You can actually make money by automating everything, okay? But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to dive on to the Facebook, not just Facebook, because I will be sharing with you a lot more tactics. So first of all, we are going to start it from the step one. And what is the step one? The step one is selecting a product. It can be a product, you can select a product from any category, okay? So as you can see, there are tons of categories on the CLICKBANk, whether it's cooking, health, fitness, parenting, it's everything available on the CLICKBANk. So first, for example, when I just clicked on the e-business and marketing, okay, then I found a lot of products coming over here. For example, super affiliate system, John Crestani's auto webinar, and this guy, when I'm going to promote this product, I will be getting about $457.62 for every sale I'm going to make. Okay, and in this way, the CB University for about $224 for every sale I'm going to make. So in this way you can find the product. But how you can find the high converting products? First of all, the products which are sorted by the popularity, they are the products which are selling really good. Okay, so there is one way you can pick up any of these products. Okay, but remember, the gravity should not be less than 20 and it should not be more than 100. Otherwise there will be a lot of competition, and if it is less than 20, then the product is really bad. So do not just go for that product. Okay, so now how you can find a good product. When you are just starting out, what I will recommend you, select a product which is going to pay you between $30 to $100. Okay, because those are the products you will be able to sell easily. Okay, so as you can see, when I just found the so first of all, when I looked for this is whether the product is going to give me $30 to $100. Okay, but the another thing you can do, if you want to promote that product, look whether the product's front end product. Okay, what is the meaning of the front end products? For example, the maybe we are going to take any product. Okay, let's say this is our product A. So what they are going to do, although they are going to pay you $224 for the average sale. Okay, for the average sale they are going to pay you $224, but what they will do, first of all, they are going to sell you a $50 product, and thereafter they are going to sell you a $100 product, and in this way they are going to keep on leveling up. So if there is something like this, then you can opt for that product, because that product is having upsells and that is going to convert very well. So the first thing that I will recommend you is look for the first product, kind of the first product, that means the first sale. For example, how you can look that, for example, when I'm going to go for the CLICKBANk University, then the first thing you need to find is head over to their affiliate page, and you will be able to see which is the first product, whether it's a $100 product, it's a $1,000 product, or maybe it's a $50 product. So first of all, look for that. If the product is between 50 to 100 bucks, then go for that. It's really going to be a good product. Okay, so when I looked for this, look at this, the front end product is going to just $47. That means it can be a high converting product. So first of all, I'm going to pick this product. Okay, so when I just scroll down, then what we are going to do, we are going to look for the gravity. It should be between 20 to 100. So it's a really great product. And the third thing you need to look is the pitch plus. This means there are upsells in the product. For example, there is also there are upsells in this product as well. And so in this way you need to find whether there are pitch plus options or not. Okay, because if there is pitch plus option, then you will be able to make a lot more money than just first sale. Okay, so now the fourth thing you need to look is the recurring. Recurring basically means the product once have been purchased, the buyer has to the buyer needs to pay something to renew the product. So when you are going to make 10 sales, for example, in a month, and then you will get another 5 sale in the next month, because at least 50% or maybe 30% are going to retain in the membership. So that is another thing you can do. You need to find the products which are recurring, so you will be keep on getting the commission even if you are not doing any work. So that is also one kind of autopilot earning. Okay, and another thing you need to look over here for is the head over to the product page. For example, the product is by the John Cristani. So absolutely the product will be high converting. Why? Because John Cristani is a kind of a super affiliate. He has made a lot of money, guys. He has made millions of dollars. That means he has tested his product a lot. So that means you can pick his product, and when it comes to down over here, okay, when it comes to down over here, you can see the CB University. Now this product is by the CLICKBANK University, and also guys, again, the CLICKBANK has really seen hundreds of products which are converting very well. So that means this product is also going to convert very well. So we can also again pick that product, and if you have any doubt, you can simply head over to their page and can start looking whether what kind of the product they are selling. Okay, what kind of page do they have. So in this way you will be able to find, okay, you can go on the product page and you can really see whether it's high converting, it seems to be high converting or not, whether it's attention grabbing or not. For example, the John Cristani's page, okay, as you can see, there is nothing more, there is just one option, okay, sign up for the free training. So when somebody is going to click it, he's going to enter his email. Okay, so in this way this one is also high converting. Why? Because there is nothing, just one line, just to the point, one line, and thereafter simply just enroll for the training, and that's it. Okay, so that means it's also high converting. So in this way you can really find a product. So what is the first step? The first step is to pick a product. Okay, the first step is to pick a product from the CLICKBANK. So the first step is to picking a product. Okay, picking a product. And now we are going to head over to the second step. The second step is going to be how we are going to promote that product. Basically there are a ton of ways, for example YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, but the catch is this, how you can really start promoting on those platforms. So first of all, we are going to head over to the Facebook over here, and as you can see, there are a ton of ways to promote on the Facebook. Okay, so first of all, what you can do, you can start promoting on your website as on your profile as well. For example, when as you can see, there are a lot of options. So when coming down, for example, these guys are posting on their wall. Okay, so what you can do, you can also post something like this. Hey, do you want to make $100 a day with the CLICKBANK? Check out this product. Then you can simply link out to any of the product you want. Okay, that is the one way, but do not just spam, because Facebook do not like that. Okay, in a week there are 7 days. So what you can do, you can in the 6 days you can start posting the good content that will attract more and more audience. Because if you are going to just keep on promoting every single day, nobody will going to see your profile. Okay, so what you can do, after 6 days, every 7th day you can start promoting one product, because that is going to attract more and more guys, and even you are going to get more and more sales. So that is the one thing you can do on the Facebook, and it's pretty easy, guys. It's pretty easy. Okay, and the another thing you can do, you can simply join some of the groups. For example, let's say you have a product in the dog training niche. Okay, so when I just search for dog training, okay, let's just see, then what you can do, you can join other groups, because in the groups there will be a lot of guys who are interested in the dog training. Okay, look at this, there are 64,000 members, and the catch is this, guys, a lot of these people do not even know that money can be made online. This guy is selling me product and he's also making money. Because what you can do, you can simply join these groups, and thereafter you can start helping them. You will see that somebody is going to answer something, somebody is going to question something, then you can simply head over to that group and answer that question. And if you do not know anything, so just simply search it on the Google, and you will be able to give them answer. For example, if somebody asks for what are the best diets, okay, what are the best diets for dogs, okay, So in this way you will be able to just see for this. Okay, so you just need to Google it and you will be able to find the answer, and then you can simply tell them. When you are going to keep on doing this for 30 days, people will see you as an authority. They will come back to you personally, they will look at your profile, they are going to click the link in the profile, and you will start getting a lot of interaction. When somebody will come you and ask something, on that time you can sell them a product, or you can give them something for free, and then you can collect their email. You can also do those things. So as you can see there, the answers are coming over here. You can simply learn from here and can simply help them. Okay, and when you are going to do this, the people will start coming to your profile, and they will see, they will click this link, and they will click this link, and then you will start getting a lot of clicks, guys, a lot of clicks. Okay, a lot of clicks. So this is the another way you can do. But now how you can really automate, the second process is to start driving the traffic. But this is when you do not want to automate. But what if you want to automate? This is the third, although this is the second step that you need to do, but still, if you do not want to do the autopilot, then it's the good it's the thing for you can do. But if you want to if you want to run this on autopilot, then you can simply do something like after selecting the product, you need to build a landing page, and on the landing page you need to give something for free. For example, it can be a video training, it can be an ebook, and then you are going to capture their email. Okay, because when you are going to capture the email, thereafter comes the automation starts. Okay, so now from the Facebook, let's say this is Facebook, from the Facebook somebody is going to click the link, to your landing page, and then they are going to come over here, and thereafter you are going to capture their email. From here you are going to capture their email, and thereafter you are going to send them to a thank you page where you will build relation with them. You can tell them, hey, why you should check out this product, hey, who am I? Because if you are going to build relation, they will be keep on buying from you in the future as well. Or you can do something like you can send them to a sales page, okay, where you can simply sell them a product, and in this way also you will be able to start generating sales. But this is the method for the long term. Okay, this is the exact method that a lot of the kind of the super affiliates are using. Okay, because if you are going to build relation, they are going to open their emails, they are going to open your emails, then you can simply send them emails on every single day, maybe 3 days in a week, and 4 days. You can give them value for 3 days. Okay, thereafter one pitch, you can give them again 3 days value, and again pitch. In this way you will be able to start building relation with them, and at the same time you will be able to sell the stuff, and they will be buying from you because they really trust you. They really do trust, because you are helping them. Now you might be thinking that all of this is okay, but how am I going to start this stuff as I'm a complete beginner? So for that I have a complete 5-day free training and a free ebook. For that you just need to click the first link in the description, and you will be able to get that. Okay, so after you are going to click the link in the description, you will be taken to a page where you need to enter your email, and thereafter you will be sent to a thank you page. Okay, just listen to that video, and then just simply click the button on that page below, and then you will be taken to the 5-day training. Okay, 5-day training, and the ebook will be sent to your email. So be sure to check that ebook as well, because that also contains a lot of amazing stuff. Okay, so I will see you in the training. Just click the link in the description right now and get access to the free training, because that contains a lot of really good kind of a lot of the secrets. Okay, so just click the link, and I will see you in the training or in another video. So bye bye.